final take for the blizzard of 2016. I'm looking out the bedroom window, and as you can see now, all the snow is off the window. Even though it's only in the 30s, things are starting to melt pretty good. The sun's being a big help. Anyway, now we're going to go and look out the front door. This is the front porch. Kind of got a lot of snow on it, blowing, drifting. But as you can see, you can actually start to see some pavement. And we have a nice little path shoveled down in front of the house so the mailman can get in. And the road has been plowed, but it's just a single lane, so you're gonna have a problem if you have more than one, if you have a car coming in two different directions. Anyway, back inside. Take a look out the side door now. And things are actually starting to dry off on the porch. And Leanne is getting adventurous, and she is actually trying to get out and run around. There's a little path that she made, because I think she was trying to get to Rambo. Up, there she goes. She's trying to get to Rambo. She's trying, she's looking, but nope, it's too much. She's coming back. Okay, now we'll go back inside, head towards the basement. And snow's still piled up against the window. I think it's going to be there for a little while. Now out to the driveway. Trusty snowblower there. Came in very handy. We'd probably still be out there shoveling if it wasn't for the snowblower. And believe it or not, this is the driveway. All cleaned off. Chuck's going to leave his truck there, so we haven't cleaned that, but we're kind of running out of room, so we had to pile some of the snow in the driveway. But everything's all cleared out now. We can actually get the cars out. My car's cleaned off. And I'm even starting up the Mazda. So this is it. The snow shovels will be put away, hopefully for the rest of the winter. But who knows? But this has been the blizzard of 2016.